Hello and thank you for joining me here today. Today we're going to be unboxing the Solar X1 electric scooter. All you're going to need for this is just a knife. With that said, let's get into it. So here we have the charger for the scooter. We've got the instruction manual, very important. And lastly, we've got some Allen keys. These are some of the tools you'll need to tighten up the scooter before your first ride. And then we have the scooter itself. So this is it. This is the Solar X1 electric scooter. As you can see, it's in a folded down position at the minute. This is simply just for transporting. In a minute we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you how to properly unfold this, and then we can have a proper look at the scooter. So with that said, let's go take the scooter outside and let's go have a look around. So now that we're outside, I'm going to show you how to properly unfold your X1 for the first time. So what you want to do is push this back friction brake down slightly, which will unhook this part of the T-bar here. You simply lift the T-bar up until it clicks into this mechanism here. And then lastly, you get your handlebars, lift them up, and then they should click into place like that. So after you've unfolded the X1, what you want to do is, depending on what height you are, you might want to adjust the T-bar height by unclipping this latch here and then simply lifting up until it clicks into either one of these holes here. I'm going to leave it at about there. So now that we've unfolded the X1, what we need to do next is perform our pre-ride checks. This is very important, and the way you do this is you take your tools provided with the scooter. These are just regular Allen keys. What you need to do is thoroughly go over your scooter and just make sure that every nut and bolt is securely fastened and tight, because in transit things can get shaken around a little bit and some things might have just become a little bit loose. So it's just good to go around, make sure everything's nice and tight to avoid any accidents on your first ride. So just having a look around the X1, you'll notice that this scooter has two 8-inch anti-skid solid military grade tyres, so they're going to keep you nice and safe when you're out and about. We've got the kickstand, the rear brake light and the emergency friction brake here. Right here at the front of the scooter you've got the folding mechanism and also the charging port. At the front of the scooter here you have the electric motor, which is a 350 watt electric motor, which is good for a top speed of around 15 mile an hour. And then moving up the scooter we've got the T-bar here, and we've got the handlebars sticking out, and we've got the control centre here, your accelerator and your e-brake. So the next thing to do is to charge the X1. We recommend that when you get the scooter that you put it on charge for a full 8 hours. The nature of these batteries is that they work better at 100% charge. So even if you're using this scooter for just 10 to 20 minutes a day, we still recommend that you plug it in every single time just to keep this battery topped up as much as possible. Doing this will ensure good health of the battery, and it just means that your scooter is going to last that much longer. Now when it comes to charging the X1, it's really important that you plug in the mains end in first and then turn on the power, and afterwards plug into the charging port of the X1. It's important that you do it in this order, otherwise your scooter may not charge properly. And to fold the X1 back again, all you need to do is press these two buttons on the handlebars right here, which enables you to fold them down like so. Next, what you need to do is lower the T-bar again by unclipping that clip, pressing this button until it slides down and clicks into place. Next, what you need to do is press firmly on this red lever here and the scooter should fold down into place. Press down firmly on the emergency rear brake and it clips into place like so. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been informative, and we hope you enjoy your Solar X1 electric scooter. Thanks again.